you're probably wondering, thinking to yourself if you tapped on the right video, or you're thinking if this is the right channel even, and you're not seeing anyone else. It's just me. Yeah, come stay. What's that I smell? Is that poop? Oh my goodness. Poop? Holy sh! Hey, what's up, beers, many greasers alike. Welcome to another episode of Beers and Stuff. And today, this is gonna be a product update. So what? You probably know what product I'm talking about. So this product has been with me for 6 years, and I did a review about it. So not so accurate review, if I say so myself, because I didn't know better, and now I do. And let me just say this right off the bat: this product sucks. This product is crap. This product is shit. Don't even think about getting this product. Okay, so moving on. There's not much to say about the product itself because build quality sucks. Plastic, cheap plastic, made in China. Heating element flat, not working fully, efficiently, whatever. Heat output inaccurate, fluctuates. It heats up, yeah, but then it jumps right up, like you'd feel like your skin, it can burn your skin though. Yes, so attachment, weird, boring, power cord, too short, looks nice, but overall it sucks. So if you encounter one of these ad, of course, it's always on Facebook, I always see them, and I got this from Lazada. No, Shopee? No. Either way, it's prominent in there whenever you click heated beard brush or heated straightening brush. This will pop out the first, I tell you. So anyway, that's it. There's nothing much more to say. And for the price, it's not even worth it. So why bother? It's crap. I rated it 4 out of 10 before, but now I rate it 0.5. Not bad. Yeah, very bad. So anyway, I got another one. I just ordered another one, and it looks promising, to say the least. And I'm excited to try it out and show them to you. And we'll be back here. Yeah, in its place here. It looks like I'm having a bonfire in the back. Yeah, that's nice. So in addition to why before I go further along, yes, I tried using this product again before I made this video for you, of course, 6-7 hours ago, and look at that mess. I look like a freaking octopus. I look like a freaking boar. What, Octobore? What the hell? What does it even mean? So look at my beard. It did straighten up a bit at first, and when it cooled down, it kind of curled up like that. Yeah, so, and it made my beard look thinner, and although it's soft and nice and shiny, but yeah, making my beard look thin, it's not a good look. And I tried at least hoping for the best. No, not really. I tried it on my hair, and voila! Nothing happened. Nothing special or nothing at all. So I just look like crap. I look like a mess, and that's it. So moving along to my order. Yes. Should I post a photo right here. Maybe just did you see that? Are you excited as well? I am so freaking excited, and it's even cheaper than this one. I got this for like 200 something pesos, almost 300 pesos, and the new one that I just ordered is 1 peso below 200 pesos, so that's 199 pesos including shipping. Wow, crazy, can you believe that? So anyway, it will be coming soon, I hope soon enough, in 3 days. I recorded this Wednesday early in the morning because that's what that's when I usually record my video. So now you know. Oh man, why did I say that? So anyway, I hope it doesn't take that long. And yeah, you're probably, of course, you're watching this Saturday, so I hope it does arrive as Friday, Monday, or yeah, Friday, Saturday, Monday, the least. I hope so. So I can make another video for you this coming next Saturday. Yeah. So anyway, after using this crap, after using this, I did use I did use beard balm, of course. So that's why it looks there's the shine to it. But first, before I use this, I applied beard oil because you don't want to apply this directly to your beard. You might damage it. At least use beard oil, but I'm not saying you should. It is necessary for you to buy this type of products, either beard brushes and stuff like that, only if you want to and only if you can. It is not mandatory if you have a beard, but I like to give myself count and clean and get those curls tamed and in line. Yeah, straight like that. But I only use it. I only use this average of 10 or let's say 12 in a span of 6 months. So I'm not really a fan. No, of course I'm not. So anyway, I think that's all that I wanted to say. Yeah, don't buy this product. Though I'm not gonna throw this away. This will be part of the collection, and yeah, I'm planning to get a thermal gun. So in the future, we can test out the max heat output of the products that I'm going to show you, of course. So we know if there's a discrepancy or lack thereof. Yes, accurate. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this video, I guess. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, thumbs up. Yeah, it means thumbs up. Like, thumbs up. You don't do that. Yeah, I only see a few likes. What's the deal with that? And also, if you love this video, and of course, if you love the channel, show your love by subscribing. See? So anyway, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic, YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, you're watching business stuff. And I'd like to add a little bit more information. I'm not gonna be reviewing pomades, hair styling products, and things like that. Not until I get my freaking haircut done, because it won't be standard anymore for the channel. So I just want to put it out there, so you know, if you're wondering why there's no new hairstyling product reviews yet. I hope you do understand, right, with the current situation going on and the social distancing and stuff like that. And one more thing is it's because there's a lack of public pub, public transportation. So now that it's out there, do what you want to do with that information. But I say to you, of course, it wouldn't take that long. Probably in a week or so, I'll get a decent and proper haircut. And thank you for supporting the channel, and I hope you are all safe, healthy. Okay, observe proper social distancing. All right, good.